Hey you guys, I bought this on Amazon. As you can see, to put more stuff because I needed more storage. But I didn't. I had like some. It comes with three doors on doors on top and bottom, as you can see. But I originally wanted, I was looking for something that had this side open, so I did not put the doors for those, but I still have them as you can see. But still, I actually love it. It's very sturdy. I'm 5'4" and weighed like 115, and I was able to build it all on my own. But I do think putting this part on is heavy, so you would need someone else. But other than that, it has little switches there, the little lights. And I just keep that unplugged because I have other stuff in plug there. There was like some chipping, but not something so bad, like right there. Like right there. Like I did feel like there were some doors that looked like they had been painted over, but it wasn't like such a big deal. It was so I just, I kept it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The drawers, so smooth. But yeah, hope you guys love it.